Hey y'all, today I went to my local Tractor Supply and they had their baby chicks out. So check out our new addition. We have the little yellow ones are Amberlinks, 3 Amberlinks, and 3 of the blue-legged beauties. I believe that's what they're called. And the blue-legged beauties are supposed to lay large, no, that's the Amberlinks. The blue-legged beauties lay blue tinted eggs, while the Amberlinks lay large brown eggs. So these are our new addition to the family, and of course I already had the little feeder, and I'll leave the feed that we use in the description box with a link. You can pick it up at Rural King or Tractor Supply, either one, or if you have a local co-op, your co-op may sell it. If not, Amazon sells it, so you can have everything delivered to your door, including the little feeders. Amazon carries the feeders and the waterers now, and we just got them on the little starters for now, and of course the heat lamp. And Amazon also carries a starter kit, so if you're looking for something and can't get out to your local store, because I always say shop local first, Amazon carries all that, so you can have it delivered to your door. And I'm not real sure, but we got one of these giant tubs by Tartar, big feed trough like you see in not Dollar Tree, good Lord, that's where I was going. And then I got sidetracked at Tractor Supply. They are cheaper at Rural King than they are Tractor Supply, I can tell you that. So if you like Rural King, you could try there. I'd have to try and see if Amazon sells them or not. I'm not real sure. I'd have to check their price. So that's our new additions. I can't wait to show them to y'all. As hopefully they will grow and do really good. We just got them a little while ago, so they seem to be frisky so far. They're eating and drinking okay. You know, like any baby chicks, they get tired and settle back down, but right now they're all frisky and just fluttering away and playing, so I hope that's a good sign for them. They are so precious. Okay, well y'all just keep a watching for the videos, and we'll see. Time takes us. All right, see y'all.